Here we have a question of a car battery that is rated at 120 amp hour. If you leave your car lights on until the battery is completely dead, how much charge is lost? And if the car lights on low beam draw 12 amps of current, how long in hours will it take to deplete the battery when the motor is not charging it? Okay, so let's understand what's happening here. So first, we have to understand that current, for part A, current represented by I equals to the charge delta Q over delta T. Change in charge over change in current. So we know that our that it is 120 amp hour. So 120 amps, that is coulombs per second. So this is 120. An ampere is essentially a coulomb per second in 3600 seconds, which is 1 hour. So this will tell us the charge that is lost in 1 hour, because an amp hour is essentially a rating that says a battery can supply 120 amps in 1 hour, and that's it. It will be depleted after 1 hour if it supplies 120 amps. That is essentially what the rating means. So when the battery is completely dead, it will have 0 amps left after 1 hour or 60 minutes or 3600 seconds. So we just essentially multiply the 120 by 3600, because 120 amps is 120 coulombs per second, an hour is 3600 seconds. So the seconds cancel, and what we are left with is 432,000 coulombs, which are lost. Okay, and that takes care of the first half of the question. The second half of the question says, if the car lights on low beam draw 12 amps of current, how long will it take to deplete the battery? So now we have our 432,000 coulombs over 12 amps, which is 12 coulombs per second. And so the seconds goes on top over here. So what we're left with is 36,000 seconds. And now 36,000 seconds is how many hours? So 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So 10 hours would be 36,000 seconds. So you've turned the key, the car is off, but you left your lights on at low beam. Happens to the best of us.